Thank you for watching. In this video, I'm going to go over our plan for tentative opening of the Salsa with Silvia dance studios in the summer of 2020. First and foremost, I wanted to thank you all for your support during the shutdown. Without the motivation from you, we would not have been fighting so hard to open again. So thank you so much. When businesses are given the go-ahead to open, we plan to open both of our locations, but we will have strict rules in place to ensure your safety and the safety of the staff. For the entire summer of 2020, at least until September 12th, we plan to have our adult group classes one at a time to avoid crowding. Maximum capacity of every adult group class will be 18, and we plan to have the room dividers open so that people can spread out more. Masks will be mandatory upon entering the studio's premises, and students should have their own disinfectant to clean their hands. Students who show any symptoms of being sick will be asked to go home. So if you're sick, please stay home. Gathering in groups and having conversations will also not be allowed on the studio's premises. We'll do our best to keep the studios clean as usual. We'll be disinfecting surfaces between, before, and after classes. Our post-COVID class schedule is now available on the website, so please feel free to browse and register. If you have a package that you purchased before the shutdown and you would like to use it when we reopen, please contact us using the website live chat feature or email us. We're also asking you to please be patient as we're adjusting to the new normal. On behalf of the Salsa with Silvia staff, we cannot wait to welcome you again in our beautiful studios. Thank you so much for your support.